In this video, I will be walking you through the PayPal Zettle handheld terminal. The first thing I'm doing in here is starting a new order and adding a few products with just using the barcode scanner. I can simply scan this in a couple of seconds and the products will be added. You can see that the products that have a discount, they will show right away on the order. Other things that we can do is change delivery status if it needs to be shipped. We can also add additional charges, for example, for the shipping or service charge. We can also add other types of discounts, like non-time-based discounts. It could be for staff members' birthdays. And we can also add customers. This is important if you're integrated to a ticketing company. So here you can add the member, and if they have any discounts that apply to them to products here, that will show automatically. Next, we can use any payment method here. We see two different types of payment methods. We can split the bill, and we're going to close the transaction with cash. Now we see the information of the customer, and we can send the receipt via email or SMS. Now I want to show you how you can add products by using other ways, not only by scanning, but you can also select View Catalog and simply browse through categories, the products, and different things that you have already on your menu. So then you can simply tap on them and add them to the order, and same thing here, just continue to pay and select the payment method. The next screen I'm going to bring you to is to view all the orders. So if you have multiple orders open, this screen will help you narrow down the information of open orders, closed orders, deleted orders, or return closed. You can also filter by a specific date for today or previous days. Now we're going to talk about inventory management. Here you'll see different sections here. We're going to go through manage inventory, and we can see all of your different categories, your different products. You can see what's on stock and the quantity as well. You see the basic information, and then there's different actions that you can do. You can add a stock and add, the quantity according to a new purchase order that just came in, and you can set up the cost price and the reason. In this case, is new stock. And we can see that the inventory has been added successfully. We can always remove stock. Here you can say how much, for example, is missing. It could be returned. In this case, you can set that note as well. Very important to keep track of everything and every movement. There's also count stock. So if you're counting the stock, right, let's say you have 25 and you actually found 10 more on the back, you can add that and have the reason or the adjustment, right? It could be a different kind of reason, and you can add that as well. Also, you can edit the product information, anything related to the name, the price, the tax, or the description as well, or the image. Next, I'm going to show you how you can see your shift report. After taking transactions, you can see all the details of your subtotals on this part over here. You can also manage your shift by depositing to the safe at the end of the shift, the cash in hand, or in the beginning you can also add the initial bank, let's say, before you start the shift. At the end you can always close the shift, so everything's back on zeros before the next one. Now this terminal has a lot of other functionality to manage your business, like reports. For example, we're going to go through some of them here. This is the C report, which you can filter down by any location or date range. And here you'll see all your summary for your gross sales, net sales, taxes, payment details with the number of transactions and the subtotals as well. This is a report that you can also access from your web portal, but if you want to have that information handy, you can see it on this device. Another quick example is the sales report here as well. You can break it down by products, categories, subcategories, locations, and then it will pull all the information of the products sold with the quantity and the total sales of that specific date range. Now, there is a lot of other reports that we can get from this device. We can see here shift and staff reports, inventory and vendors, marketing programs, Even security reports can be seen from here. Also, from the web portal, everything will be connected with live data. Now for this part, I'm gonna walk you first through the customer section. Here, as you can see, we have all the customers saved with their main information like phone number, address, email address, and anything else that you want to add, you'll be able to see it here, as well as add new customers. Next, we're gonna go into the order section. This is basically if you want to take a look at previous orders, past orders, any open orders, throughout any date range that you want. You can filter by products. You can filter by using advanced options like deleted orders or closed orders with deleted items and things like that. Next, we're going to go into discounts. In this section, you can see the discounts that are already created, right? For the location. You can edit them if there's anything that you need to change for the discount percentage or the discount type. You can always add new discounts in here, just on the top right. You can select the discount details such as the name, the type, coupon code, next non-time based or time based with the percentage and the value. And now we're gonna go into employees, your employee management with all your employees here. You can set them up, add them as well, and set all of their permissions as well. Now this is the gift card section. You can see the ones that are active or inactive, all that history, and all the balances as well. You can add a new gift card straight up from here, attach them to a customer, and add the balance. Last but not least, you have your loyalty program and you have the website setup. So basically here is just all the information of your website that you can update and view as well.